sense of focus, especially when you raise a lot of money like we have. When you're a founder, I think there is a bit of a shiny object syndrome where, you know, there are so many opportunities, so many ways that we could help our customers, and you kind of want to tackle them all at once.
Build the business, not the pitch. It's very common in early stage foundings in general because you need to fundraise, so therefore you just need to make your pitch better and better and to attract investors, build that MVP as well. Just sort of show that it works and they will come.
You're the average of like, you know, the 10 people you surround yourself with. So like the more that you raise the bar for yourself that way, and the more you feel like, wow, I'm like, you know, lucky to be surrounded by those people, the better.